Edinburgh. The very name evokes images of ancient castles perched atop volcanic crags, cobblestone streets echoing with the footsteps of history, and a vibrant cultural scene that pulsates with energy. Scotland's capital city is a captivating blend of the old and the new. From the moment you set foot in this enchanting city, you'll be captivated by its unique charm. Dominating the Edinburgh skyline is its most iconic landmark, Edinburgh Castle. Perched atop Castle Rock, an extinct volcano, the castle's imposing silhouette has been a symbol of Scottish pride and resilience for centuries. As you climb the Royal Mile towards the castle gates, you'll feel a palpable sense of history washing over you. Step inside the castle walls and journey through time, exploring centuries of Scottish history. Visit the Crown Room, home to the honours of Scotland, the oldest crown jewels in Britain. Descend into the depths of the castle dungeons, where prisoners of war were once held captive. Stand on the battlements and imagine the fierce battles that raged around the castle walls. Don't miss the firing of the 1 o'clock gun, a tradition that has been observed since 1861. Every day except Sunday, a cannon is fired from the castle ramparts, a signal that was once used to help ships set their maritime clocks. The sound of the cannon reverberates through the city, a powerful reminder of Edinburgh's military past. Edinburgh Castle is a must-see for any visitor to the city. It's a place where history comes alive, where you can almost hear the clash of swords and the roar of cannons. Connecting Edinburgh Castle with the Palace of Holyrood House is the Royal Mile, the heart of Edinburgh's Old Town. This mile-long street is a series of streets, each with its own unique character. Stroll down the Royal Mile, surrounded by medieval architecture and historic landmarks. Explore shops, pubs, and attractions along the way. Stop at St. Giles's Cathedral and admire its stunning stained glass windows. Approach the Palace of Holyrood House, passing the Scottish Parliament building. Despite its urban setting, Edinburgh boasts above the city skyline is Arthur's Seat, an extinct volcano that offers breathtaking panoramic views of Edinburgh and its surroundings. A hike to the summit of Arthur's Seat is a must-do for any visitor to Edinburgh, offering a chance to escape the hustle and bustle of the city and reconnect with nature. There are several trails leading to the in difficulty from easy to challenging. Choose the path that best suits your fitness level and enjoy the scenic journey to the summit. As you ascend the slopes of Arthur's of the city, the Firth of Forth and the surrounding even see as far as the Kingdom of Fife across the water. Once you reach the summit, take a moment to catch your breath and soak in the breathtaking panorama. The view unforgettable, offering a unique perspective on this beautiful city. And if you're lucky, you might even spot the resident herd of sheep that graze on the slopes of Arthur's Seat. Section 5. A celebration of the arts, the Edinburgh Festival Fringe. Every August, Edinburgh transforms into a global stage for the arts, hosting the Edinburgh Festival Fringe, the world's largest arts festival. For 3 weeks, the city comes alive with an explosion of creativity, with thousands of performers from around the world showcasing their talents in hundreds of venues across the city. From comedy and theater to dance, music, and spoken word, the Edinburgh Fringe Festival has something for everyone. The festival's open-access nature means that anyone can perform, from unknown artists to established stars. This creates an electric atmosphere of discovery and excitement, as you never know what hidden gem you might stumble upon. The Royal Mile becomes a pedestrianized street party, with performers promoting their shows and street artists captivating the crowds. Venues range from traditional theaters to pubs, churches, and even tents in parks. The Edinburgh Fringe Festival is a celebration of the arts in all its forms, a melting pot of creativity that will inspire and entertain you. Section 6. A tapestry of festivals, beyond the Fringe. While the Edinburgh Festival Fringe might be the most well-known, it's just one of many festivals that take place in Edinburgh throughout the year. The city is a true festival city, with celebrations of music, film, literature, and more taking place almost every month. In January, Edinburgh welcomes the new year with Hogmanay, a 3-day celebration filled with fireworks, concerts, and street parties. In August, alongside the Fringe Festival, the Edinburgh International Festival presents a curated program of world-class theater, opera, dance, and music. And in December, the city is aglow with Christmas markets, ice skating rinks, and festive cheer. Whether you're interested in film, music, literature, or simply want to experience the vibrant energy of a city in celebration, Edinburgh has a festival for you. The city's packed festival calendar ensures that there's always something exciting happening, no matter what time of year you visit. Section 7. Savoring Scotland Culinary Delights. No trip to Edinburgh would be complete without indulging in the local cuisine. Scotland's culinary scene has undergone a renaissance in recent years, with chefs embracing fresh local ingredients and innovative cooking techniques. From hearty pub fare to Michelin-starred fine dining, Edinburgh has something to satisfy every palate. Start your day with a traditional Scottish breakfast, a hearty meal that will set you up for a day of exploring. Sample local specialties like haggis, neeps, and tatties, a savory dish made with sheep's offal, mashed potatoes and turnips. Warm up on a chilly day with a bowl of cock-a-leekie soup, a creamy chicken and leek soup that's sure to warm your soul. For a sweet treat, indulge in a slice of cranachan, a delicious dessert made with oats, raspberries, cream, and a touch of whiskey. And of course, no trip to Scotland would be complete without sampling a wee dram of Scotch whiskey, the country's national drink. Section 8. A wee dram whiskey and Scottish traditions. Whiskey is more than just a drink in Scotland, it's an integral part of the country's culture and heritage. The word whiskey itself comes from the Gaelic phrase Uisce Beatha, meaning water of life. Scotland is home to over 100 whiskey distilleries, each producing a unique spirit with its own distinct flavor profile. Take a tour of a local distillery and learn about the fascinating process of whiskey making, from the malting of the barley to the distillation and aging of the spirit. Discover the differences between single malt and blended whiskeys, and learn how to appreciate the subtle nuances of this complex drink. Beyond whiskey, Scotland has a rich tapestry of traditions that are sure to captivate visitors. Experience the thrill of a traditional Keelid, a lively social gathering with Scottish folk music and dancing. Listen to the haunting sound of bagpipes, the national instrument of Scotland, and learn about the history and significance of this iconic instrument. Section 9. Beyond the Tourist Trail, Hidden Gems of Edinburgh. While Edinburgh's main attractions are undoubtedly impressive, don't miss the opportunity to venture beyond the tourist trail and discover the city's hidden gems. Tucked away in quiet corners and down cobblestone lanes are hidden courtyards, secret gardens, and charming pubs that offer a glimpse into the real Edinburgh. Explore the Dean Village, a picturesque former milling village located just a short walk from the city center. Stroll along the Water of Leith, a tranquil river that winds its way through the city, and discover hidden cafes and art studios along its banks. Visit the Sheep-Held Inn, a cozy pub that's said to be the oldest in Edinburgh, dating back to 1580. For a unique perspective on the city, climb Calton Hill, a hilltop park that offers stunning views of Edinburgh's skyline. Visit the Scottish National Gallery of Modern Art, home to an impressive collection of modern and contemporary art. And be sure to spend some time simply wandering through the city's streets, soaking up the atmosphere and discovering hidden treasures around every corner. Section 10. A City of Inspiration, Edinburgh's Enduring Legacy. Edinburgh is more than just a city, it's a source of inspiration. Throughout history, the city has been a magnet for artists, writers, philosophers, and thinkers from around the world. The city's unique blend of history, culture, and natural beauty has inspired countless works of art, literature, and music. Walk in the footsteps of literary giants like Sir Walter Scott, Robert Louis Stevenson, and J.K. Rowling, whose imaginations were sparked by the city's enchanting atmosphere. Visit the Writers' Museum, which celebrates the lives and works of these literary icons. Explore the city's many independent bookshops, which are a testament to Edinburgh's enduring love affair with the written word. Edinburgh's legacy extends beyond the arts. The city has been at the forefront of scientific and technological advancements, with innovations in medicine, engineering, and technology shaping the world we live in today. Visit the National Museum of Scotland, which showcases Scotland's rich scientific heritage. Section 11. Pack your bags. Edinburgh awaits. From its iconic castle to its hidden closes, from its vibrant festivals to its warm hospitality, Edinburgh is a city that will capture your heart and leave you with memories to last a lifetime. Whether you're interested in history, culture, nature, or simply want to experience the magic of one of Europe's most enchanting cities, Edinburgh has something to offer everyone. So, what are you waiting for? Pack your bags, book your flights, and get ready to experience the magic of Edinburgh for yourself. This captivating city awaits, ready to welcome you with open arms and share its secrets with you.